Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun and exciting video. By the way, thank you so much to Burano for sending me this amazing glitter polygel kit. I absolutely loved it. So here we have an instructions guide if you guys would like to read that. Then we also have some nail forms. It also comes with a case of butterflies, which is always a plus, a slip solution case. It also comes with a 100-180 grit file along with a double-sided spatula and brush. So that is really great. What I love, it comes with dual forms and it also comes with nail tips, which I will show you guys in a minute right now. So this is what they look like, and these are the nail tips, and of course I will be using these full cover nail tips. I've never seen a polygel kit like this, so this is definitely a plus for me. Then we have this really cool 3-in-1 base coat. It's a nail glue, a base coat, and a slip solution, so it's really cool. A top coat, of course. Then we also get a design and building gel creative nail solution. So here I will be swapping the colors, and they are numbered. This is number 1, it's like a clear. Then we have number 2, which is a baby pink. Then here we have number 3, which is like sort of a purple color. Then we have number 4, which is a shimmery glittery polygel. It is beautiful. Then we move on to number 5, which is another shimmery glittery polygel, as you guys can see. Now we're moving on to number 6, which is another shimmery glittery polygel. It's beautiful. Then we are moving on to polygel number 7, which is a glitter polygel with bigger glitter chunks. Now we're moving on to number 8, which has bigger glitter chunks as well, and they're so beautiful. So this is what they look like after they've been cured. So here I am showing you guys a nail prep. So I start by pushing back the cuticles gently. Then I am using my e-file. I am using a fine grit sanding band, and I am just removing all the shine and buffing the nails. So now I am dusting off all the residue, and here I am just going in with my cuticle trimmer and removing all the cuticle from the nails. So here I'm grabbing my e-file once again, going in with a flame bit, and this just goes more in depth to clean around the cuticle area. Now I am just using my nail duster to dust off the excess particles. I will go in with a nail dehydrator, and this is very useful because it does get rid of all the oils for better adhesion. Now I'm going in with an acid-free primer, and this is used to prevent lifting. Now I am going in with a peel-off coat, and I'm only using this for video purposes. Do not apply this on if you want your nails to last. I am going in with this 3-in-1 and applying the base coat on all of the nails and curing it for 2 minutes, which is what it did say in the instructions guide. For this video I will be using the full cover nail tips, so here I am just going to size out the nail tips. So now I'm gonna go in with this 3-in-1, and I am just using this to adhere the butterflies. Now I'm gonna cure it for a couple seconds. So here I'm using polygel number 8, and I am going to place it around in just whatever spots I like, and then I'm gonna use the 3-in-1 base coat to smooth it out. I did decide to cure the butterflies in place just for it wouldn't move from the position that I had it. And then what I'm gonna go and do after I'm done smoothing out this polygel to my liking, now I'm gonna add the glitter foil flakes without curing it yet, and then I will place the nail on and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 through 90 seconds. As you guys can see, it's a very simple, easy, fast, and beautiful nail look. There's not much to it. You barely waste any polygel on top of everything, which is the best part. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. I'm just gonna place the nail on and cure it under the UV lamp. This is what the nail looks like. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So now I'm grabbing Polygel number 2, I'm placing it on the nail, and I'm using slip solution this time to show you guys that either or works beautifully. Whether you use the base coat or the slip solution, they both work flawlessly. And now I simply place the nail on and cure it under the UV lamp. So here I'm just repeating the same steps for the middle finger and the pinky. That includes the butterflies, the glittery polygel, that is number 8, and also the foil flakes. So this is what I'm doing here, and as I'm working with this polygel and maneuvering it through the nail, it works flawlessly. It is beautiful, and it just overall is great quality. It's amazing. I literally recommend it to an expert or a beginner. It does not matter. It's just great quality polygel. And by the way, I loved the packaging, the way that it was all set together, and when you open up the kit, it just has everything you need and more. So yes, I definitely love this kit. I definitely recommend it. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested. And by the way, you do get a $5 coupon, so it does go for $29.99, but when you apply the $5 coupon, it's $25, and you just can't beat it. I think it's a great deal, and I definitely recommend it. So here I'm going in with a 100-180 grit nail file, and I'm just shaping and filing. I do love achieving a coffin shape, so therefore all you have to do is go straight down both of the side walls of the nails, and also at a 45-degree angle. And by the way guys, it does take practice. To this day I am still practicing. And now we are going to go in and buff out the nails, and I am just removing all the shine from the surface of the nails, since I will be applying my own top coat. Now I'm just going in with my nail duster and removing the excess dust. So here I'm going to show you 2 examples of how you can adhere rhinestones with this particular kit. So here I'm going in with the 3-in-1 base. So here I am just applying the rhinestones to my liking. Remember, the rhinestones, just have fun with it. Do whatever you like, whatever looks right. I just love being creative and just trying to do new things in each nail design. So that is what I am doing here. Now here for the other nail, I'm going in with the top coat, and I'm applying that to adhere the rhinestones. Both of them work flawlessly and perfectly if you want to adhere anything, so that is what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go in with the Beetles matte top coat. So this is what I'm doing for the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky. I did apply the top coat to the other nails off camera, but yeah, I decided to go with a matte top coat. So I'm really excited because I haven't done this on this channel. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to cure it under the UV lamp for 60 through 90 seconds. So the last step is going in with some cuticle oil. I always talk about how important this is, so I'm applying this on all the nails. This is the end of the tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, I love you guys very, very much, and thank you once again for all the love and support. And one last thing, if you guys recreate any nails, I'd love for you guys to send me a picture through Instagram. It will be linked down below and also on the screen. I always love to see what you guys come up with or create.